1.2b, 3. Your first 3 problems you're going to solve just like you always do. Counters, manipulatives, you can draw pictures, however helps you. So for this, I know 10 and 8 more. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 18. 12 minus 3. Well, I know I can break 12 into 10 and 2. So I'm going to say 10 minus 3 is 7, minus 2 more is 5. You don't have to solve it that way. Oops, and that's not correct. Okay. 12, 11, 10, 9. So that would be 9. Eight and 8 is 16. That's a doubles factor. It's okay to make an oops. If you make an oops, just go back and fix it. Sarah had 9 crayons in her school box. Which picture shows Sarah's crayons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm not done. I've got to go check all my answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm looking for 9 crayons. This is the only reasonable answer. Which coin is worth 1 cent? Well, I see that's a nickel, that's a dime, that's a penny, and that's a quarter. I know a penny has a value of 1 cent. Nathan went on a leaf hunt. He found 6 brown leaves and 4 yellow leaves. How many leaves did Nathan find? Draw a picture and create a number sense to solve. Well, I know he found 6 brown leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's his 6 brown leaves. And he's going to find 4 yellow leaves. I'll make them 4 kind of fancy leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-leaf clovers. Yellow, 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 yellow. So I'm going to make a number sentence. So I'm looking for how many leaves he found. So I have 6 plus 4 more has a value of 10. Write the number shown below using hundreds, tens, and ones. I see 100, 1 group of 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 leftover ones. 100, 0 tens, and 3 ones. Draw a base 10 blocks to represent the number 120. Draw squares for 100, sticks for tens, and dots for ones. So I want to represent 120, so I'm going to draw 1 group of 100 and 2 tens. You could also draw 1 group of 100, 1 10, and 10 more ones. That would have been okay as well. Nick put 10 ping pong balls into each bag. He has some extra balls left over. How many ping pong balls does Nick have in all? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. He has 94 ping pong balls. Look at the base 10 blocks below. Write the place value. He has 100. He has 0 tens, and there is 6 leftover ones. What number is represented by the base 10 blocks? 106.